So, a friend of mine called Indiana told me that I should go and check out this area. There's a vehicle that will drive around. We might be able to find Lee's in there. So, Indiana.
This side.
Indiana Jones. That's right. Him. We're gonna go and see if Lee's is over there. So let's go check that out. All right, we have entered the tombs. Scary. You all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do not enter.
Oh. That's so weird. I think that's show up.
That's something. Language. Ooh, more into that language. More language all over the place. Strong bamboo. The bamboo is strong with this one. Emergency exit open. Please. Please, are you up there? Please? Where are you?
Is it church?
More of that strange language. Oh, even more. Can't see it, it's too dark. Oh, I think we took a wrong turn. We're gonna do not disturb bats. Hey, bats! I'm not supposed to disturb you. That one. Watch your head. Sharp spikes. Owie. You gotta see? Those guys didn't watch their heads, so. Ooh. That was an adventure. They told me not to step on these. Not to step on them. We're not supposed to step on these. Not to tap it. It did say not to step on this. We found ourselves into a very strange room. Ancient artifacts. But I would never. Hey, don't do it. Don't do it.
I know I did something.
Oh no, sorry. Have you seen my wife? All right, well. I think I hurt somebody. Oh well. Hopefully it wasn't Lee's. It did sound like Lee's, so that's okay. Oh, special room coming up.
Now, my friend, one final word of advice. Once you've entered the chamber of destiny, look not into the eyes of the idol. That would be dangerous. Very dangerous. Well, my friends, your moment is drawing near. Already I am envious of the wonders of nature. In the eyes of God.
All right, don't look into the eyes. I wonder what that says. I'll try to look at it later.
Here, my consent. Okay. It's awesome.
The yellow cow, go in there. Just pull.
Pull it. Yeah.
Yeah, my name is 360 Jimi.
Nice.
J-I-M-I. So you're gonna be famous.
I can't take it anymore. I've been famous, for the first 45 years.
Hello, oh, my friend. The brakes may be needing a little easy on the curve.
Alright. Which one are we going to see?
The future. I will lift the curtain of time. It is your end.
Don't look into the eyes! Don't look in the eyes! I looked into the eyes! I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
We've got a problem here. Up to the left. And what? They're saying, yeah.
Snakes. You guys are on your own.
Get me out of here!
Now, don't tell me that wasn't big fun.
That was big fun! I don't think we found leaves, Mom. No, we didn't find leaves. We saw a lot of things, but not leaves. Well, we got lots more around Disney. So keep watching. That was crazy.